Hey everyone, welcome back to Electrified Deliveries. Tonight is Saturday. Yesterday we had an amazing day. Over $100. There was actually a hidden tip in that one. 110. Hopefully we can get another 110 or more. We're starting off with this one. $6, 12 minutes. It's going to be really fast because it's really close. Let's hope the restaurant has their act together and we can get it going. Well, I'm going to pick that up. If you can like this video, subscribe to the channel, stay for the ride. We got a wild night coming ahead of us. Hi, Ubereats, A4BFF.
A4BFF.
Yes, thank you. Appreciate that. Have a good night. I love it when the orders are ready. That one all in 6 minutes. $6 for 6 minutes, $1 a minute. I'll take that all day, every day. And then I expected another offer to come in, but nothing came. It was kind of ridiculous. This one came in $5 for 12 minutes. It's not great. I want to see a big one. I want to see $10, $20, $30. I want those big ones to come in. In the meantime, I'm going to take this one. It says 12 minutes, but I'm right around the corner from the place. They're always ready, and it should be a quick drop off. Let's go grab it. Hi, picking up for Uber, ECFEB. Wonderful, thank you. Thanks. So another quick one. The order was ready, quick drop off right around the corner. That one took about 6-7 minutes. So we're up to $11. I was again hoping for a good one, but now we got this one. $6 for 12 minutes. All these quick short ones. $5, $6. I'm taking them because they're easy, they're quick. Let's hope Papa John's is ready. I still want that big one. Wish me luck, it's coming soon. Hi, Uber Eats for Ian.
For Ian?
Yep.
You'll just eat a Diet Pepsi from the fridge.
Thank you.
Cheers. Have a good day.
You know, I've been asking for it all night. I've been like, Uber, give me a good one. I don't want $5 and $6 anymore. I know they're quick. I'm loving them, but I'm also loving this one. A triple. They give me a triple right off the gate. I haven't seen that in such a long time. Here's the offer, $29.27, 53 minutes. I know it's a little long, but I always love when I can see anything over $25 for an hour. I'm loving when I'm getting $25 an hour. This is almost 30, slightly out of my zone, but not too far from where I can get other orders. Let's go grab the triple and maybe, just maybe, we can get hidden tips in there. Let's hope. Wish me luck. Let's go grab them. E64A1 Uber.
Hello?
E64A1.
That one with 15-20 minutes.
Okay, then I'll cancel it. Thank you. So that was incredibly disappointing. I was bragging about that restaurant earlier in this video, saying how they're always ready, they're always on it. I was waiting for a little bit and finally they took my order and then they couldn't find it. She was walking around looking all confused and then realized that the one noodle dish, it was really small, but one noodle dish they didn't even start, she didn't do anything with, so she tells me 20 minutes. So obviously I canceled. I don't know what this $29 is gonna turn into, but right away when I canceled that, Uber gave me this one. $9.91, 21 minutes. It's going in that general direction. I don't know what that's gonna put me. Is that gonna put me over 30, under 30? I just don't understand restaurants. Hopefully that's not a trend that's starting to happen where restaurants just forget to do orders, ignore orders. I had one in another video where they just couldn't be bothered to make it because they were so lazy. I don't know what's going on. Hopefully it's just another one-off and we can have a fantastic night. Over $30 on this triple. Let's hope. Hi, I'm picking up for Uber Eats. Both orders are for Tracy.
What's the name for yours? We just have 2 separate orders with the same person.
That's me, Tracy and Tracy.
Oh, you've got, okay, going to the same.
I think so. I think she just did an extra order.
Okay, great.
Probably works with a coupon or something. Thank you, appreciate that. You too. EB4E6. Perfect, thank you, appreciate that. I'm so glad that first order wasn't ready and I had to cancel because I didn't know what it was going to look like. But instead of $29, $24, something like that, it turned into $36.80. And 2 of those orders in the triple were going to the same address. Loved it. It was great. It took about 50 minutes all in. It took me out of my zone. And even though I was out of my zone, within 5 minutes, I got this one. $9.41, 16 minutes. Keep it rolling. Will we have another triple digit night? Stay tuned and find out. Ubereats, Eleanor?
Yeah, it's ready.
Perfect.
Thank you.
Awesome, appreciate it. Thank you. I'm so happy that Subway was on it because that was done really, really quickly. They gave me this one to go back to that same Subway. Hopefully they're still on it. $7.08, 15 minutes. If it's ready, this can be done in under 10. But they gave me an add-on as well, an extra $4 for 9 minutes. I know it's only $4, but it's going in the same direction. I can probably get both of them knocked out in 15 or less. I'm still out of my zone, can you believe it? But I'm still getting offers coming in. This is turning into a great night. Ubereats for Aaron and Tossin. This is Aaron here.
Dawson, right?
Yes. Perfect. Thank you. Do you mind if I just put a T on there?
Yeah, sure.
Thanks a lot.
Have a good one.
You too.
I like your setup there, man. That's awesome.
Yeah, when it gets dark, you just gotta
Absolutely,
be able to
yeah.
see, right?
Can't
There you go,
keep your
sir.
hands free at the same time.
You got it. Yeah, take care. Is that for Ashley?
Ashley, yeah, we got it.
Yep.
Yeah.
Wonderful.
There's 3 drinks for Ashley, okay?
Perfect. Hi, Ubereats pickup. DF00A. This one? Thank you. That one only took 7 minutes. Like I said, free money. Speaking of free money, we're going to take $6 more from Uber and McDonald's. So take a look at this one. Only 11 minutes, $6. Should be done in under 10. Maybe 5 or 6 minutes. It's just around the corner. Let's go grab it. Is that 5CB9F? Perfect, thank you. Hi, picking up 2 for Uber Eats.
2 of those?
Yes.
One is ready. I just need 5 more minutes for the other.
Sure. Perfect. Both of these. Thank you. And thank you. There you go, enjoy. Oh, sorry, didn't mean to get the light in your eye. Take care. Hi, Uber Eats for Craig? Craig, yes.
It's not quite ready yet.
Okay.
But it should be coming out.
Yeah, sounds good. Do you know if it'll be much longer?
Yeah.
It was Uber for Craig? Okay.
We thought it'd be done earlier, but we don't know what into it. So
Uber for Craig for like 7 minutes.
7 minutes? Okay, I'll
Sorry
pass on
about
it.
that.
That's okay. So I was waiting there for a little while and then I heard them talking. I started to realize they hadn't even started the order yet. I don't know what's going on. I think the one guy said he was pretty sure he put it in. He was looking around the oven, couldn't find it. They were both looking. I think he forgot to do it. I'm not really sure what happened, so I stood up, I started talking to them. The guy said it was going to take another 7 minutes. I know I like this order, but I already waited a few minutes. I didn't want to wait another 7 minutes. It's getting late and I couldn't be bothered. If you think about one of my first orders tonight, she didn't even get that one ready, and she told me 20-minute wait. Thankfully, that worked out for me because I got another order in that triple that made it over $37. It's late, so I'm not going to take any other orders. Comment down below and let me know if you're starting to see this trend where they're just not even bothering starting getting the order, or they forget, or they just miss it. What's going on? Twice in one night. I put it out in the universe that hopefully it's not a trend, and then I get it to end my night. This trend has got to stop. Restaurants, pull it together. Don't make us wait. Actually get the orders done on time. Actually get the orders started completely. Anyways, there's my rant for tonight. I'm going to end the night right here. My grand total for tonight is 107.81. That's a fantastic night. It's not quite the 110 I had, but if I'd had this one, I would have beat last night. But I'm quite happy. Just over 4 hours, I'm going to take it all day, every day. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.